Managing your growing team just got a whole lot simpler. With Delenta's Roles and Permissions feature, you can wave goodbye to one-size-fits-all access and easily customize exactly what your team members can see and do within your organization. Here is how to set up the perfect workspace for your team. To get started, head over to the Roles and Permissions section. This is your command center for creating bespoke roles tailored to your unique business operations. Dive into the advanced settings to limit or grant access on an incredibly granular level. You control the exact actions a user can take, right down to whether they can simply view, create, update, or permanently delete assets. Delenta gives you the power to drill down and set strict boundaries across every major feature of the platform. You can fully customize access permissions for content and assets, packages, digital courses, and shared resources, operations and tech, financial payments and platform integrations, data and analytics, backend reports, and high-level Delenta insights. This ensures your operational staff, coaches, and financial administrators have access to the exact tools they need to do their jobs effectively, without compromising sensitive data. Once you've built your custom roles, putting them to work is a breeze. To assign a role, simply jump into your team directory, edit the team member's profile, and select their newly created role from the drop-down menu. Onboarding new staff is fast and friction-free. Plus, as your team expands, you can easily filter your directory by specific users to find exactly who you're looking for in seconds. And that is it. Total security, complete operational control, and an optimized workflow for your entire coaching team. Protect your data and empower your staff by setting up your custom roles and permissions on Delenta today.